Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a simple Python program for printing all the numbers in a right angle triangle format. Okay, this program is only based on for loops, and I promised you that you can better explore your for loops in your practice. Okay, so without any delay, let us get into our PyCharm and start writing the program. I'm on my PyCharm now. I have already created a file called rightangle.Py. I know that's so weird, but you have the freedom to create the file name of your own. So let us start writing the program. Firstly, I'm giving some n is equals to int input, enter the number of rows. Okay, I want my user to enter my number of rows. Okay, so I'm looping through the rows. Okay, for I in range 0 to n, you need not mention 0 explicitly. The range function already starts from 0, but here for no confusion I'm also using 0. Okay, now I want to initialize my num value to 1. Okay, for printing on my console. And we have created a loop for rows, but we have to also create a loop for columns, right? So here this is called the outer loop, and the loop which we are creating for columns is called inner loop, as it is within another for loop, right? So for j in range, first of all, let's understand the concept here. Firstly, we want one element in the first row, 2 elements in the second row, 3 in the third, 4 in the fourth, right? So we want only one column in the first row, that is the 0 plus 1, which is I plus 1 columns in the first row. So I'm looping through 0 to I plus 1. Okay. Now I want to print my number. Num n is equals to space. Now we are done with our program. Now let us go and run it. But something is missing, right? Here we also have to iterate our number. We have created num value, but we haven't iterated. We don't want only 1, right? We want 1 in the first row, 1, 2 in the second row, 1, 2, 3 in the third row. So as we loop through our columns, we have to iterate our num value. Okay. So now I'll run the program. Run. Yeah. Our Python console is asking us to enter the number of rows. Let's say 5 initially. Yeah, we got 1 in the first row, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. We got 5 rows and 1 row in the first column, 1 column in the first row, 2 columns in the second row, 3 in the third, 4 in the fourth, and 5 in the fifth. But this is looking so weird, right? So give a small space here and rerun it. Any number of rows, let's see 5 again. Yeah. This time I think it's looking good. So this is a program to print the numbers in a right angle triangle. Okay. So you can also create a function for this and use in different ways. And also, yeah, I have given already input, but if you know the specific number of rows, you can give it just here. Okay. So this is a program. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe my channel for more Python programs like this, to learn Python from the beginner stage and to explore Python basic concepts in different ways. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please share in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.